see the portion of my answer, yes sir, and I recall the question.
Did you cry during that portion of this deposition, Mr. Anthony? Do you recollection?
Don't recall if I did. I don't think so.
What was different 2 hours ago in this courtroom about that question that caused such raw emotion today, which was not present 2 years ago when you were asked the same thing?
There's other things that were asked in my deposition, specifically if I believed Caleb was
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive to strike. The question, Mr. Anthony, is this.
Yes, sir.
What was different about the question being asked of you?
The answer is objection to the question.
For you, Mr. Anthony. What was different about the motion with the question which you did not display when asked the same question 2 years ago?
2 years ago, I did not 100% believe that Kaylee was dead. At this very moment, hours ago, during that 2-year span, I've come to the place where I believe that she is. And my emotions are elicited from those facts that I have read, and I could have been there a lot more than I was.